Hi all, in this video I will show you how I made a camera combo which include the sound support to be able to hear the noise or the sound or the noise of your propellers when your TinyWhoop is so far away that you can't hear it naturally. So for this I used a camera which is the lightest I found, including a micro that you can see here. Everything is in the every link is in the description below. For the VTX, I used this Eachine, which includes sound support and also which has an output power of 200 milliwatt. So it's quite a long range for a TinyWhoop. The mount I used is this one. It comes from TinyWhoop.com and it's designed for a TW900 camera, I think, but I used some plastic dip to fix it all together, and this is the result. So only 4.5 grams, and even less because the wire are not cut at the correct length here. And I still have a video in-out that I can use in my setup to implement the OSD. So now you see it in action in my Whoop. It's a BetaFPV F3 flight controller here with the input output video soldered to it to implement the OSD. One important note is I had to connect the VTX power directly to the battery and not using the 5V power available on my board, which is a BetaFPV F3, because I had too much noise when I used the 5V output power. Picture was great and working great, but the sound has so much static that it was unusable. That's it. So let's see how it looks like. It's not high quality sound, but at least you can hear the thrust of your propellers, and I think it can help when you can hear it. So I'll let you watch, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. Okay, so let's see how it sounds like. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.